Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this folio. This is the Harvest Pumpkin Easy Folio. So this folio is included in the Autumn Halloween bundle. I will give the link to this folio and the bundle in the description below. Here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. It's a very easy and quick folio to make. Let us start the assembling. First, I'm just going to fold along the lines, and this one entire panel is going to make the entire folio. So I'm just going to start folding the main panel and the pockets. I have used my sewing machine and added a little bit of details over the ephemera tags and pockets. I'm going to add these two pockets on the middle of this folio so that they are going to be these layered pockets over here. I have two diagonal pockets. I am using one of them over onto this side. I'm using this diagonal pocket over here so that there's this contrast between the white and the fall color. On the back of the folio, I'm going to use this one as a belly band. So I'm just going to apply glue to the top and the bottom and stick this as a belly band. I'm using this pocket to layer over here. That is it. We have done the assembling. I'm just going to start the decorating. I'm adding an eyelet to the center of this flap over here so that I can add a rope to close the entire folio. I've got these little tabs over here, so I'm just going to use them to add it to my ephemera and tags. And then I'm using the labels to decorate the folio. I'm going to use this label as a pocket itself right over here, so that I can add the little ephemeras over onto this pocket. I have a few fussy cuts over here, so I'm just going to use them to decorate the belly band. I'm just going to go ahead and add the ephemeras and the tags into the pockets. There is a little envelope that is included in this kit. So I'm just gluing the flaps together to make this envelope. And I'm just going to use a few of these little tags to put them into this envelope. And a little bit of the ephemera from the kit, I'm just going to use it to decorate the envelope itself. So this envelope, I will just insert it into the belly band on the back of the folio, like so. And I'm using this rope to tie the folio together. And that is it. Here is the final reveal of the Harvest Pumpkin Easy Folio. As mentioned, I will include the link to this kit in the description below. It's a very easy and a quick project that you can just complete it in an afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the links below for the shop. You can also join the newsletter. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I give quick updates about what's happening behind the scenes and all. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.